Hi guys, sanibona niyaphila. Right, igama lami uThedi Nxumalo. I recently posted a video and ngiyabona kuma comments lana abaningi bafuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakani. Abanye bafuna ukwazi ukuthi who was wrong, abanye bafuna ukwazi ukuthi what happened kahle. Right, indaba mimi kanje. Mina for to cut the long story short, bengu-taxi industry but bengispecialize ngezistaff, bengilasha istaff sasewolwethu. So khona abantu akade ngisebenzisana nabo siphila sonke kahle. So it so happens ukuthi 2020 September 24 Heritage Day ngangiphuza nabanye abangani bami, ngiphuza ngisepakini, bengihamba eQuantum ngisepakini. So happens ukuthi labo bantu abangidubulayo they were busy calling me the whole day, lokho bengidinga bengifuna bengangitholi inamba, angazi ngani mangithi ma director belahleka bengazi ukuthi ngakuphi kwendawo. So it so happens ukuthi I was drinking the whole day kahle. So ngaboma past 5 ngiye endlini ngidayimanye thatha unkosikazi nengane besithi mbamse uphi out since it's Heritage Day. Mangifika endlini unkosikazi was 3 months pregnant. Thatha unkosikazi nengane yami yomfana ibina 6 ngaleso sikhathi. Mangithi ngiyahamba ethi no akasezwa kahle. Sesizwa ngathi sisakhe sibhlungu. Ngathi no right it's fine. So right ithi ngiyothenga ukudla kuphi eMidrand. Ngishaya imoto ngeMidrand ngishiya unkosikazi ngishaya imoto ngeMidrand. Ngifike ngithenga eMcDonald's drive through mangijika ngibe endlini isikhathi se-lockdown leso sikhathi abantu behlezi begqoka ama-mask. Mangifika endlini ngithole labantu bangilindile kahle abantu ngabathola bengilindile egeyithini ngaphandle. Mangisathi ngikhipha ingane seatbelt luckily amafastela bengihlezi ngivala amafastela shaya nge-aircon khona bengifaka udimu lowathi smash and grab. So mangithi ngisakhipha ingane seatbelt kuvele kuze umuntu efastela mangithi nyathi mbona hayibo umzala walo mjida phela ngisebenzisana naye nyamazi lo muntu naye sike sasebenzisana avela khipha isibhamu avela sikhokhele lapha efastela vele ngisiza ukuthi siginyile. Right, perfect. Ninjani thengize no part 2 chazethu kuhamba njani lo mjida mayedubule efama ekhokha isibhamu efasteleni avela ngaphushela ingane emenyaweni wabe dubulela ukuqala alizange lingene cacamba ifastela mayishayile sithomele ngishaya ikhanda kodwa luckily lami ngangivika ngisiyalala lapha esayidini ngabe ngikhoza ukuthi ngabe ngidubuleka ku shoulder lapha shoulder yami ka right wabe dubula 5 phakathi wadubula 5 ngaphakathi ingane meqala ingane yami screama phakathi kwemoto ngabona ukuthi ifastela selifile into elandela lapho lo muntu uzofaka isandla phakathi mayefaka isandla phakathi uzogcina ulimele ingane. Ngabona ukuthi hayi sesabantu labeze ngami athi ngivele ngizinikele ngabe ngitshela ingane yami ukuthi iphuma ngapha ngabe ngimvulela sithi baleka ngapha mina ngabe ngiphuma ngapha mbaqonda mangiphuma vele bavele bangihlasela. Ngadubuleka ke lapho ngadubuleka 8 times ngawela phansi lo munye wakhona uhamba nomzala wakhe kanti wayizivale leso sikhathi wafika ke mavula imask yakhe ngibheke wathi yafintsha wabe ngikhafulela abe sebehamba. Ngaleso sikhathi ngangizibona sithi sengifile ngiyeza ukuthi lapha sengifile sengihamba ke manje la ngathandaza uNkulunkulu ngathi uNkulunkulu mawuzongithatha manje unkosikazi wami 3 months pregnant and ingane yami na 6 years bazoba yini. Ngakwazi ukuphaphama ngazama ukuthi ngisukume ngehluleka ngazidonsa ngisayami isondo lemoto ngabe ngizama ukumemeza ingane yami luckily esemaduzane yabe ngizwe yabebuya igijima ngabe sithi hamba biza umamakho mayegijima esendlini siyabiza umamakhe kwaqala ke uqhamuka abantu ngithi niyazi maqhoma isibhamu abantu vele banyamalala kwaqala ke ukuza abantu bengathi bazama ukungisiza. Umuntu ovela athi shesha nozana nengubo simvale ngoba lo muntu uyakwazi list ukuthi angafi. Ngabona ukuthi mina ngizoshona lapha abanye sebeleke bekhuma ukuthi awufone ambulance ngathi no guys mina lapha ngizofala. Luckily khona umuntu omoya khonapho wayekwazi ukudrive ngahle ngicathe mfethu ngicela lingithathe lingifake emotweni ngizingijimisa kuphi clinic ngoba iambulance lapho izofika khona izongithola sengifile. Bakwazi ukungithatha bangifake emotweni bahle bachaya imoto bangijimisele eclinic. Mangifika lapha eclinic bangathenda kwathi udoctor uyabuya leso sikhathi ngiyakhala ukumfaka khala isililo ukumfaka umntwana wengane ukuthi mangingafa lapha abantu abambazoba yini. Luckily angizange ngishone kwazi ambulance ngatransfer unkosikazi nawe esewile nabanye bomndeni wami basewile lapha eclinic ngasentransfer to Tembisa. Fike eTembisa fike emergency eTembisa bangathenda basengifaka i-drain plug cause ngangibleed internal lapha ngangidubule khona futhi ngapha ngasesayithini ngaphansi kwekhwapha babefaka ipipe ukuthi njengoba ngaphakathi ngikwazi ukuthi ngipletele ngaphandle. Then i-theatre ngasenza ungena e-theatre ekuseni, angazi ngathi ngangena kuma-5 ekuseni e-theatre ukuthi ngaphuma sikhathini angazi, but ngathi ngiphaphama ngase ngisewadini. Ngikwazi ukusiza-ke udetective ezongibuza ukuthi kwenzekeni. Ngase ngibachazela ukuthi hayi, mina abantu abangidubulile ngumjito othiwa bani bani, ubehamba nomzala wakhe. Kwathiwa okay, no problem. Then ngahlala mina eTembisa, I think eTembisa ngihlale close to a month. Ngahlala 2 months eTembisa, ngahlala in fact ngahlala 2 months. So detective lo bambamba lo mjita lo after 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. Hello guys, ninjani? Thengizo part 3 namhlanje. Right, ngicela phela mangithi lo mjita wabanjwa after 2 weeks since ingozi emenzakele. Right, so happens ukuthi mina ngangena ku-IC, ngangena ku-theatre ekuseni, ngaphuma sengisewadini, I think ntambama. Then udokotela bantshela ukuthi bamanage ukuremove ama-bullet awu-5 ngosala awu-3. La awu-3 wathi angeke bakwazi ukuwakhipha, but luckily yaziphumela wodwa, but that's for another day. But lo mjita wabanjwa after 2 weeks. Then angazi thombo hanjiswe emodapi, then mina ngahlala 1 month esibhedlela. Then it was very hard. Leso sikhathi angabe kwazi ukuthi angisahambi. I didn't know. Angezwa, angatshelwa next. The only thought enginayo ukuthi mina into engizwayo phela zinhlungu kuphela. But after 1 month I know ngicela uku-discharge because kwashona abantu abawu-4 phambi kwami ngibabhekile. And that was very traumatic for me. It was very traumatic. Mangiphuma after a month, mangiyendlini, udetective wakuyendlini bazongibuza istatement sami ukuthi cela ubhale istatement sakho, uzokhona ukubhala istatement sakho. Ngathi no problem, ngakwazi ukukhuluma istatement sami. Ngabatshela futhi nokuthi ubani wangidubulayo nomngane wakhe, bathi no, bambamba lwamjita and usemodapi. So balinde ukuthi at least they're investigating cause umjita lo yena wayiphika etakusuwi, bekaphika etakusuwi. So i-case yakhona itragile, yatreka i-case yakhona itragile. Lo mjita 2 months waphuma, I don't know for what reason kodwa waphuma kodwa, but the case is being investigated. It's being investigated, waphuma. So i-reason yokudubuleka kwami, it wasn't cause of a beef or anything, akulanto ebekade siyibanga and what not. Lo mjita I think lapha kwaba amakwali nje for no reason, angazi mbe wapho ngungizwe ngangithandi mbe bangizonda for whatever reason, I don't know. Till today I don't even know ama-reasons akuthenga one, but kwabanjwe 1. Umzala wakhe lo mjita akatholakalanga, kwathiwa ubalekile abamtholi. Lo mjita nabakwazi ukumthola, but bekaphika etakusuwe. So be-attend court from outside. Mina i-court bengakwazi ukuhamba because into leyenzeke 2020 on September nge-Heritage Day. Mina i-court bengakwazi ukuhamba because I was still in critical condition. It was very hard. Mangisendlini leso sikhathi lokhu sitshela ukuthi umzimba uzoba right, ngaqala ukuzwa i-feeling, sengibona ukuthi no man, inyawo zami angizizwa, ngina feeling, I don't know what's going on. Then they told me ukuthi no, you're still in shock, umzimba is still in shock because more experience into enjalo umzimba because uyaba shocked. But mangibuza udoctor i-problem yini, doctor wathi no, when you only had a fracture with spinal cord sakho, but ama-bullet they never damaged, azange damage spine sakho, so you'll be okay. I'll be okay. Ngathi okay, no problem. La ngakuthatha khona ukuyana ukuthi no, umzimba wami is still in shock, uzoba right. But the worst part of all, I was dead. Ngesikhathi ngiphuma esibhedlela, I was discharged. Ngesikhathi vele ngahlahla, I was dead because I couldn't do anything. I had to learn everything from scratch. Ngakwazi ukuyidlela, ngakwazi next bengigezisa endlini, bengilalisa ngama-side bethi no, so right manje kumele simbhekiselele i-side. Ngakwazi ngisho nokuhlala, ngakhona ngisho nokuhlala. So it was very traumatic. It was a very traumatic experience. I wouldn't even wish it on my worst enemy, the situation in Guyana. But luckily, unkosikazi la ngapha, she was still pregnant. Azangabe ne miscarriage. Luckily, she was carried to the full term. Wawazi ukubeletha baby boy. So konokuyana ukubona lengane ikhula nakhona, it gave me hope. Kwangenza ngaba ne fighting spirit yokuthi no, at least I got a second chance at life. Umunye umuntu kubushonile, abantu bashona nge-1 bullet, but mina I managed to survive 8 bullets. Then luckily ama-bullet njengoba udokotela bethi abangeke bakwazi ukuwakhipha emzimbeni, ngizophila nawo. Ama-bullet lawa ayiphumela wodwa. Then I had to make a video makuphumela ukugcina. I will show you the video in time. Liphumela lodwa ibullet, laziphumela lodwa. udokotela bethi ama-bullets lawo ngizophila nawo, but amanage ukuphuma wonke wodwa. So right now angila bullet emzimbeni, angila bullet emzimbeni, and nga-affecteka ku-T12 ku-spinal sami, ngaba ne-fracture on my T12 ku-spinal sami. So umjida le case yakhona it dragged for a long time. It dragged for the ngahlahle ngathi for 5 years. Dragged for 5 years because uze recently lo mjida still abazange bakwazi ukumthola till today. I don't know what happened, because I remember mangise court, when I went to court for the first time, ngafika bona prosecutor wambhanga wabuza statement some, what is this your statement? Nomtshela no, this is no longer my statement. And the worst part of all, detective wayendla case yami wayese resign, he was no longer on the force, so the case was given to another detective. And in the statement esasesikhona, it wasn't my statement. Ngamtshela prosecutor, this is not my statement. Wantshela no, write your statement down. I wrote my statement down. Ngabhala statement samphansi ngasho ukuthi no what happened, and but mase sengustand sengiconfronted lawyer lakhe, senginterrogate lawyer lakhe, his statement babe khuluma le statement esekade si wrong, and I felt like justice system is failing me. And the worst part of all umjida bengithi mangimbone court where behamba nabangani bakhe kumnandi, was enjoying, not even showing any remorse. He wasn't even remorseful, not even nakancane. With lama even had my thoughts of ukumbulala. I had those thoughts. Till today I still have those thoughts. But luckily justice system yakugcina sengizamile. Lo mjida they found him guilty last year, October, and he was sentenced to 10 years in prison. But I told myself it is better than nothing. Ukuthi la lezo 5 years uzokuzwa nami lokho engikuzwayo, but it's still not enough because mina I'm sitting on a wheelchair. But I just want to let you know guys, even though the situation is bad, it doesn't mean that you have to give up on life. Mina my thoughts of giving up on life, it was hard, it was very traumatic, I wouldn't lie. Because bengihamba mina bafethu, bengihamba ngiyomjida clean, hamba imoto enhle and everything, but ukani manje ngihleli phezulu kwesitulo of course. But that doesn't mean that my life has to end. At least ingane zami ziyakhula, ziyangibona, and I'm also teaching them a lesson of ukuthi they should know ukuthi empilweni, no matter whatever you face in life, you must always keep your head up high. Angithi nakhona futhi ngibafundisa leyo mfundo ukuthi noma ngabe ngasekho emhlabeni bazobona that thing of ukuthi time alarm got short, but he never gave up on life. He kept fighting. Noma ngihleli phansi, I'm still fighting. I'm praying to God ukuthi one day maybe ngizosukuma ngihambe ngezami inyawo, but by the grace of God ngiyaphila namhlanje. Abanye abantu kuba ngikho namhlanje, but ngiyaphila. Thank you.
Hello good people, welcome to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Kubuhlungu kakhulu kwavelela ubhudilana, mara nje sibonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayihlenga impilo yakhe neyomntanakhe, cause bekangekho yiwani lesikhathi bamdubula bekanomntanakhe. Sibonga nje uNkulunkulu ukuthi wayihlenga impilo yabo. And good people, umona ukhona la ngaphandle, and abantu abakumonelayo angeke ubone umonele umuntu ongamazi. Umuntu ozokumonela umuntu omaziyo nawe. So let's be careful guys, abantu abasurroundile empilweni zethu ukuthi abantu abanjani, because ama signs womona ahleza khona. So let's not ignore those red flags, because ubhudilana udutshule abantu abamaziyo. So ukuthi bebamonela inike nathi asazi, but nje okubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi umuntu angagwetshwa 10 years acisha thatha umphefumulo womuntu, acisha abulala umuntu. Hayi asazi i-justice system ukuthi isebenza kanjani sometimes, but mina nje hayi i-10 years is not enough, because lo bhudilana manje angeke aphinda khona ukuhamba. Asazi maybe futhi uNkulunkulu uzomhlenga aphinda ahambe ngelinye lamalanga, kodwa nje for a fact ukuthi sekahleli ku wheelchair, impilo yakhe imile, akakhona ukuzenzela izinto because of omunye umuntu, bese lo muntu lo azogwetshwa nje just 10 years. Hi, please comment below, tell us what do you think about this story, and please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and ulungile. Bye. See you on the next one.